Good morning to you. We're increasingly confident of some pretty severe weather affecting many parts of the country in the next 24 to 36 hours. It looks like northwestern Scotland could well bear the brunt of the stormiest weather. We could see winds gusting up to 80 and 90 miles an hour up there. For the rest of the country, well, 50, 60, could be even 70 miles an hour in more exposed places as heavy driving rain sweeps the country later on today through tonight, and some heavy downpours lasting into tomorrow as well. Now, we've seen some wet weather overnight. You can see that quite clearly on the radar display. The rain's still lingering across that southeastern corner. It'll lie through the English Channel for the rest of the day, but it's out in the west where we've seen the next storm gathering. Just watch those isobars packing into the northwest of Scotland here. The low pressure passing up towards Iceland eventually. It does mean to say it's going to be particularly stormy in that northwestern quadrant of the country. Well, there's some pleasant enough sunshine around at the moment, a scattering of showers for the far north and west. This rain lingering down across these more southern counties right the way through the day, and then developing in the west again as we go through the afternoon with the winds freshening. And wet and windy weather will pile in across the whole of the UK as we go through tonight, lasting into the first part of tomorrow morning, and a wraparound of heavy stormy weather continuing up there in western Scotland through Monday. Elsewhere, some rain and showers are across this southeastern corner for a little while in the morning. Shouldn't take too long to clear away. It'll be a relatively mild day, but of course the wind will certainly be the major feature of the weather, and the showers merging to give some longer spells of rain across in Ireland and western Scotland throughout the day. Elsewhere, not too bad though. We should see a good deal of fine and sunny weather come the afternoon at least. Ridge of high pressure coming through on Tuesday. Things quietening down, but some early gales still in the far north of Scotland, and still a scattering of showers. A next showery band of rain leaving the southeast during the morning, but then some more rain piling into the far southwest before it goes dark. Now, the exact track of this area of low pressure in the middle of the week is rather unclear. If I said it was a 10% chance of being right, I wouldn't be far from the truth. We really don't know where it's going, but this is the best stab, moving across southern parts of the country, so the rain affecting England and Wales before pushing back onto the continent, taking some pretty nasty weather into southern Europe eventually. We'll find these weather fronts skirting through Northern Ireland and Western Scotland for a time, bringing some showers up there. But that's the Wednesday picture. It looks like we're going to see a lot of wet and windy weather across these more southern parts in particular. It's going to be a cold wind blowing too. Temperatures may be no higher than 8 to 9 degrees, some sleet and snow up on the higher ground. Now, further north through Northern Ireland and Scotland, not too bad, but it will be frosty, very cold weather there, with some hard overnight frost eventually, and a lot of fine weather by day. Eventually the showers moving away, but we'll find the cold wind setting in right at the end of the week. Bye-bye.